Yes, it is on. No, Hogi is on. See if it is on. Is a red spot has come. Okay, today we are doing our blogging rehearsal at ON. And earlier I had taken 6-7 pictures of our colony and quarter. Now I started making a movie. This is outside the. This is a gallery outside the kitchen where the washing machine is kept. It's under the plank of hatta and wooden. In front it is our neighboring block, and this is left side is little bit our club. Today weather is very clean and clear. This white strainer has been changed in our kitchen, but your mummy say the smoke problem still persists. The smoke is still coming. We are calling the maintenance cell to check it again. We have tried our best, but it is not yet stopped. And this is a table with this, which we have purchased. And powder room picture, I have already powder room here. I had already taken 2 pictures of the powder room and sending you as with email as a movie. Here is a wash basin, and the right side is the toilet covered, and here is a mirror below the lights. The water has been stopped. This is wallpaper. And this is a fan. This is a fan this is a fan. This is a fan, and there is a hole near the roof. Pradeep says it is a small job. It is not easy for him to bring a base plate from Delhi and get it fixed. It is too costly. So he asked me, uncle, if you can purchase a base plate from nearby market and get it fixed from local maintenance section, that will solve the problem. So I said, okay, I will do it. So I made him free from this task. So I'll do it. Here is a fan which I have sent you a photo also, and this is very weak fan's quality, and this is a blade which is bented and bented, which is bent, which has a dent and which has a very noise. If you can listen the noise also, I will just put on C. See, see how it is moving and making a noise. You may be listening. So Pradeep himself told us to, uncle, stop it. Don't move this fan, otherwise there may be some damage. It may fall down. So this is required to be exchanged. I told him, bill is with him, warranty card, perhaps these are with your mom. And if I approach them, they are not going to come. and they are not going to exchange also with my asking, because he is the person who has purchased. If he persists on, if he changes them, he may get a new one. Otherwise, I don't know what the fate of this. You tell me what we should do. The one thing is we should get it refixed from another man. You get it open, and if he says this is a condemned piece, we have to buy another piece. What will happen with this? The second option can be, if it's what's called one blade is exchanged, if we can get from company, that may serve the purpose, but it is giving very big sound also. This is office, and we are Pradeep Khanna has also told, Ritu also gave some this thing, we should make this table and that table, left or right. So many photos have come from you also. We should like this, we should plan like this. I don't know what is going to happen here. And there is no need of making any almara or for storing the files. We have already enough with us place. Just simple 2 tables are required, and then sofa set and place at the vacant place. I think we can move this table anywhere, any side, but we are harping on the its beautification, and let us see how it happens. This is a Simran's room, and here it's a this disk box is lying here. Only one cabinet is required here, where it can come inside. We can store this inside, and left side small table for Simran to study. This is outside gallery of the Simran's house, and here POP has to be done. I am linking with the people. This is some stone plank lying surplus with us. Now I'll go to the master bedroom, bathroom. I'll go to the master bedroom, bathroom. Here left and right is the almara, and I am opening master bedroom. Front is a toilet seat. The right side is a wash basin, and top is a lighting. I got POP done myself, taking little bit piece from neighbor's house. Now this is a right round already fixed, and left side they have fixed now. So the shaking problem is over, and here somewhere shampoo or soap place is yet to be fixed. I don't know, every person knows it. Every human being knows bathroom requires a place to keep a soap. Why this was not kept at the beginning when they had put a hanger inside? Why it was put? Because they know some towel needs to be kept for soaking the body after taking a bath. Similarly, why they could not understand the soap place is required to be prepared and kept inside. So this is a problem. He say, I am not getting good piece to keep here. This should have been kept in mind before they fix the stone. This is a two-piece door curtain, right side, and left side is a window curtain where one piece is required to be put up. This is a wallpaper of camel color, and this is a wall color of the TV. And here is a corner. I don't know, I heard some small glass piece was required to be manufactured here, but it is not possible because this small, because this almara will not be able to open in that case. So this has to be remain like this. This place is required to be filled either by making almara or some sofa. I don't know what Deepa is going to do with this. She has already seen. So this is our movie, vlogging movie, come to you. If it comes in good shape, that means we can function and we can take photo in future with this. This is the parents' room. I am coming in the gallery, and this is the one compressor fixed, and the second compressor was lying on the ground, which here we have shifted it from here and brought up, taking this pipe to the right side of the on the door, and brought right side of the door on the wall. So now two compressors are fixed at parallel, left and right. This is good, and our gallery is opened. The amount has been expanded, but the place is open. I don't know whether you reimburse it from Rajiv Khanna or not, but this was the bathroom. This is the bathroom of parents' room. The glass is shabby. The glass things is a very difficult to keep. We can put a sophisticated items, but it's difficult to maintain it. That's why simple things are always fit. Now, whenever you take bath, one has to clean the glass. Now, who will ask the guest to clean? And Aya is not meant to clean the glasses. We are paying the Aya only for the Now we are asking for the Aya for the just washing clean the floor only. Some mechanic, please, Aya, please. Now two mechanics have come, Mr. Yadav, he's in charge, and the other, these are two mechanics. They are rectifying our electrical problems and smoke problem. हाँ जी वही आप वही देखो शौक आ रहा है. परसों आदमी आया था छोटा, वो बता रहा था कि आपके घर में ये आ रहा है अर्थिंग वायर ठीक नहीं है, पूरे घर को चेक करना पड़ेगा. परसों आया था छोटा सा मद्रासी लड़का, रवि क्या नाम था उसका, उड़ीसा का है. पहले आप आए थे 3-4 दिन पहले, परसों वो आया था, उसने चेक किया, उसको भी अर्थ लगा शौक. उसने बोला है सर आपके घर का पूरा अर्थिंग हमको चेक करना पड़ेगा. मतलब कितने दिन लोग बोला 3-4 दिन के बाद आएंगे, पर हमने कहीं बाहर जाना है तो फिर हमने लॉक कर दिया, फिर पॉइंट भूल जाएंगे। कल मेरे को भी शौक लगा है उधर कंप्यूटर का, तो मैं बोला कहाँ से चेक करो, वहाँ से आता है, इधर से उधर से चेक करो, यहाँ आता है, यहाँ से तो आगे जाता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम तो है। तो यू हैव टू रिमूव इट, नहीं तो कहीं ना कोई खाम वो इंसिडेंट हमारा हो जाएगा। आप यादव जी हैं ना? रामकृष्ण, आप इलेक्ट्रिशियन साइड में? हाँ, हमने वो चेंज करवा दिए हैं। हमने जो स्विच बोर्ड है ना 6 रेगुलेटर, वो हमने चेंज करवा लिया है। अभी हमारा बिजली का प्रॉब्लम निकाल दो। और एक छोटा सा पॉइंट हमने आपसे और रामकृष्ण करवाना है, ये इसके अंदर एक बेस प्लेट पड़नी है, वो हाथ खड़े कर दिए, मैं ले आऊँगा बाज़ार से, इसको खोल के कहीं ब्लेड फंसा दे तो एक बेस प्लेट होती है ना, ऐसे लगाते हैं, हाँ वो हम ले आएंगे, वो लगवा लेना से। और एक हमारे को प्रॉब्लम और है, आप दोनों आइए, आप इलेक्ट्रिशियन हैं, ये हमारा फैन जो है सही काम नहीं करता है, इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? अभी ज़्यादा ये जो फैन है ना, ये सही काम नहीं कर रहा, इसका पार्ट टेढ़ा है, किसी ने चेक नहीं किया, खराब है, इसका आवाज़ भी बहुत देता है। अभी हम इसको क्या करें, आप बताइए, एडवाइस करो। इसको फेंक दें, नया ले करें, या इसको खोल के इसका जो अलाइनिंग है, अलाइनिंग सिस्टम होता है, अलाइनमेंट वो सही नहीं है, तो क्या इसको खोल के एक बार ले आए तो फिट हो जाता है? या आपको पूरा पक्का लगाना पड़ेगा। सी Sanant, the maintenance section 2 mechanics are there, they are advising me, सर ये पूरा ख़राब है, इसको पूरे का पूरा चेंज करना पड़ेगा, पूरा फैन चेंज होगा, देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव, सो प्लीज़ टेल प्रदीप खन्ना टू गेट इट रिप्लेस्ड। दे आर टॉकिंग हियर, दे आर एडवाइजिंग मी कैसे इसको हम ठीक कर सकते हैं। देखो आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है, फिर मूवी करते ही आपको आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है, देखो कैसे हिल रहा है, तो अगर खाना खाएंगे ऊपर गिर गया तो और गड़बड़ हो जाएगा। तो हाँ आप, हाँ जी, बाकी हमारे आपको मैं बात किया ना, अभी जब स्मोक आ रहा है, हमारा काम किया है, उस स्मोक अभी भी आ रहा है, और पूरा तो बंद कर दिया ना सर। कर आप देखो फिर कहाँ से आ रहा है, बंद करो, पौड़ी लेके देखो, बंद कर दिया है, सिर्फ पीओपी काम रह गया, बाकी तो हमने सीमेंट लगवा दिया, आपको आदमी सीमेंट लगा कर गए, तो तभी तो हमें है कि कहाँ से आ रहा है, आप चेक कीजिए। So these are the persisting problem. The Mr. Yadav, maintenance section, who deals with these things, he says सर आपको पक्का जो है पूरा चेंज होगा, there is no other way। अभी या तो पूरे फैन का पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा आपको, या प्रदीप से कट करना पड़ेगा, या प्रदीप को बोलो इसको ले जाओ, I don't want to see this fan in your house, clear cut। जिधर इतना नुकसान हो रहा है उसको और होने दो। Actually, base of everything has gone bad. Mr. Praveen had taken the quarter before my arrival here. Either you should have told Mr. Pradeep, withhold giving the charge, let Major Chima come and he will take over things from you. When I came on 8 June, he had just given the key to me because he had already handed over 3 days earlier to Mr. Praveen. And when it was already handed over, I thought I will ask everything from Praveen, why it is not working properly, so he has gone. So this is a thing, had you waited for me to come here and take over, then that would have been better. I would have taken one item each, one item each, and considering serviceability. But now the things are gone. No, I am going to close this fan, and